Hello everyone, this is Ramakrishna Raju here. In this video, I'm going to explain on how to work with IDEO1.com, which is a free web-based compiler. Before seeing on how it works, let's know why this kind of websites are gaining more profits in the real market nowadays and grabbing more people's attention. In modern society, programming languages are involved in almost all our day-to-day activities. Hmm. Just let us consider example of taking a pizza order. When we go to a pizza shop and order for a pizza, the pizza guy will enter our order in the monitor screen about the toppings and the kind of pizza that we want to have, and then by clicking on the enter button he passes it to kitchen, and the kitchen people receive it and prepare the delicious pizzas according to our wish and delivers us all this kind all this stuff is happening because of a programming language that is running behind all this stuff to give the appropriate output. Various of these scenarios are happening in our day-to-day life when we go to gas station, when we go to stores, when we purchase food in cafeterias, when we use our mobiles, laptops, when we use our cars, etc. Each of these activity has a different programming language that is running behind them, which makes them to give the appropriate output. So based on this, each and every many persons are learning new programming languages to develop their own creativity thoughts that are hidden in their brains to show to the real world. But but among many things that really bothering them, the one of the irritating thing that many of the programming developers face is that they need to install the programming editor and compile every time when they learn a new then when they want to learn a new programming language. So in order to overcome this kind of uh, stuff, there are many web-based compilers which are available online for free of cost to make these things very easy. IDEO1.com is one among such compilers which offers more features rather than compared to others. Now let's begin on how it works with, with the program program coding and execution. See, by seeing in the home screen, you can see a sample uh, template where you can sorry where you can write your code here and execute it. And the other thing which you can do it here, you can just copy your code from notepad or something which is available in your drive and just paste here, and then select the type of language which you want to execute and give the input functions here. And if you want to give some notes about what is this programming doing, and what are the inputs that you must be giving, just like four members or five members, that if you see this program later on, you can just recall the things and give the input directly and run it. Here this shows the status of the program that is being done by the compiler. When it's in compilation state, it shows a little orange color, and when it's completed, you can see it as success, and turned it to green color. When it ended in error, you can see it as compilation error with the errors in the standard output box. Okay, this how we simply execute our code in id1.com. Now I would like to mm, tell you more features that is offered by ideo1.com. First, I will explain it in two categories. One is when a beginner uses this tool, a web-based tool to learn some new programming languages. There are few things that will help the user to learn things more easily. And the second category is I will explain the few features that will be required by expert coders in certain programming languages. So now let's move on to first category. First category is beginners. Uh, first, be, oh sorry. First, let me tell you how to sign up for this. By signing, the main advantage of signing is you can just save your code so that you can access it whenever you require, rather than just going to your drive and then uh, saving to your drive and again copying, pasting this big mess up. To overcome this, ideon.com has given a feature of saving your code in the website itself, and it's easily accessible at a click. So in order for saving the code, you need to sign up for this ideon.com. For sign up, you just need an email address. That's it. And then after, you can just sign in to your account whichever you need, whenever you need. And then in my account, I would like to tell you about few settings that are mandatory. I mean, which is really helpful a lot. That is default execution time, which is available time limit, which is available in managed codes. Default time limits allow uh, allows you to set two options, 5 seconds and 15 seconds, which means that 5 seconds will in 5 seconds the execution will be limited. If it means it's a faster means of execution of the code. And default programming language, default programming language will be, if you set this as Java, whenever you click on ideon.com as your home page, you will see a Java program, Java template applied here, available here, so that you can code easily rather than writing the import statement again and again. If you select if you select a C program over here, if you say program here, and then if you whenever you code here, whenever you go here, you should insert Java here, C here, and then save, submit. Then it automatically saves. I forgot to submit in the last time, so I will see in the Java program here. Now we can see C program, C template here. uh, uh, you can create your own template here as well and save it, so that whenever it comes, if you click on that, your sample template will come here. For beginners, for initially they don't know uh, how to code. For that, to help them, there are few sample programs that are given by this provided by this website, which can be accessed by the users by just clicking on the type of the program code they want. If I want to if I want to learn COBOL, I'll just click on COBOL, and it shows a list of sample COBOL programs. Now, there you can select the program whichever you feel it's easy to understand, and then click on the download option, which will enable you to download this program into your desktop, and fork option to execute the things on the compiler. It automatically tells the input, what the input and necessary, and the note which if you want to give to identify the thing, to identify the program, what is it about, and then run it. This is how it works. and it displays the output in the standard output. After that, I would like to move on to the second category, that is the expert users. The expert users usually normally codes very big lines of code and they execute it. After that, they can save it here whenever uh, if whenever you execute it, the every moment you execute it, the piece of code will be stored here as different instances. For example, I just now executed in this COBOL code here. After that, I again forked it here and I given the note as second time, and then I ran it. After the execution, uh, it will be directly saved to my codes rather than clicking on the save button again and again. So it's like auto save rather than manual save. Whenever you execute it, it saves automatically onto that website. And one more thing the expert users would like to have is sharing option. Sharing option will be available by all the users who have signed in. Uh, I would like to show a clear example on how to share the things. Let's just open a program to share. See, you can see the visibility level of the program on the right hand side of the programs. See, the public means it's accessible to everyone on this website and other people to whom you share this uh, link. I mean that they can edit and execute the program. When you give a make secret, you want if you want to make this program as secret, you can just uh, click on the secret option here and then hide it from other people in the website to access it in the recent codes. And you can share this code only with the people which to whom you would like to share by sending this embedded source code. Let's consider that I have shared this code through to one of my friend through mail or chat extra, and he receives it. You can just click on the link so that you can view the program here, and then you can just execute it or download it. There's a download option here to download it to on his drive, and fork option to execute in the compiler directly. Then he can click on the run button to see how it works actually. This is the thing, it executes. And if you want make it more personal, and if you want to show only the code, not allowing the users to edit or execute it, you can just make it as private by clicking on the log button, and it automatically turns into private uh, whenever the other user uh, once whenever a user wants to restrict the access after sharing that, you can just turn into private so that the other user to whom the code has been shared cannot execute it or download it. Like, if you let's see it in clear. Click on the fork button. See, the shared person cannot see the code. Instead, he can see the home page of the idea1.com. In the similar way, the download option also will be behaved. This is how the in real the idea1.com works. There are the one more annoying thing in this is lot of example advertisements that's being always clicked, which makes it uh, pretty awkward all the time to close the advertisements. So this is one of the drawback. Other than this, I recommend this website as one of the best online compilers that I have ever seen. Thank you very much for listening to my video. Have a great day.